In front of me is OPPO Reno 15F, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use keyboard Clipboard. All you need to do is launch your keyboard and hit Clipboard at the top of it. Then use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it. Following that, tap on this arrow at the top left one. And to use Clipboard, copy or cut any text. Now to paste it instantly, tap on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, select Clipboard and tap on your text here. If you want to use it after an hour, you need to pin it or it will disappear. To do that, hold your text and use pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. If you want to edit your text, you can hold it and choose edit icon. Then correct anything you copied and hit save. Now, if you want to get rid of anything from Clipboard, you can hold it and use bin icon. But you can also swipe it to the right or to the left. Come on. Last but not least, if you want to manage multiple things from Clipboard, tap on this pen at the top right corner, select them and use pin or bin icons. To disable Clipboard fully, tap on the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!